Okay, so it's snowing. Snowbank. Lots and lots of crazy snow. We're going to take a tour here of the parking lot. Again, snowbank. Really giant snowbank. That's my tracks there. I definitely shoveled this snow probably an hour and a half ago. And also cleaned off my car this morning at about 7:30. So that's a little insane. And it's crazy snowing. So yeah, it's pretty though. It's definitely pretty. But there's the roof. Lots of snow. And I'm going to start shoveling again. So, happy snow day.